Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to this part 3 of our Argyle Fox introduction. Right now I'm going to show you how you can manage your system users for those Argyle Fox administrators out there. Here's where we can do it. You should be familiar with the control panel by now. We're going to be looking at system security. If you're not an administrator of the system, if you haven't been granted that type of access, you won't see this. But as an administrator, we have access to manage our various groups and users. Groups are optional. For our users, here's what we've got. We've got a list of some of our user accounts here. So if we ever want to create a user, it's actually pretty easy. We can either right click on where it says CMS users, or we can just hit this little icon right here. So I'm going to go like that. I'm going to go there. I'm going to create a new CMS user. Let's give them a name. Let's call them demo user. There we go. So we're creating a user, and here we go. So we're going to need to give this guy an email address so that he can get his password. As a best practice, it isn't a best practice to actually set the password for the user. It's actually better to create the account and have the system create a password and then email it to them. So that's how we're going to do it. So we're going to go demo user at something.com. I feel sorry for the something.com owner. Demo, and I'm going to go user. I'm going to go somewhere. Apparently in Ireland. Awesome. So before we can send an email to the user, the system has a little check. So we got to enable them. So now that they're enabled, we can reset and email the password to the user. So demo user at something.com will receive their password and the URL and everything, and then they can just log in. So as an administrator, your work is done. You've created that user. If necessary, you can go on and add users to the various groups here under group membership. If you want, you can add them, create an image for them, etc. After they log in, you will, as an administrator again, you have the ability to see actually what browser they've most recently logged in with. So in my case, I'm using Chrome. So since I've logged in, you can actually see that they've logged in and they're using this is what their browser is. So if they ever call you with, how do I do this? How do I do that? Why does this look like that? You can actually reference what kind of browser they're using pretty easily. So happy Argyle Foxing. Upcoming next, I'm going to be showing you how to manage the various data stores in Argyle Fox, such as creating items, deleting items, enabling, disabling, and all the other fun stuff that goes along with that. So stay tuned.